When canning hot peppers, it's always best to use fresh picked produce. Begin by gathering the following ingredients. If you're handling hot peppers, make sure you wear gloves. Wash the peppers thoroughly in a colander and allow them to drain. Next, remove the stem end of each pepper and slice into the desired size pieces. I prefer 1/4 to 1/2 inch size slices. However, you can slice into any size you prefer. Once all the peppers have been sliced, set them aside with the rest of the ingredients. Next, gather and set up the jar filling supplies, a simmer pot for the lids, a brine pot, and a water bath canner. Start heating the water bath canner and then prepare the brine with the following ingredients. 6 cups of apple cider vinegar, 2 cups of water, 1½ tablespoons of pickling salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir the brine well, making sure the salt and sugar dissolves. Begin heating the brine and check the progress of the water bath. Next, take the sliced peppers and mix them all together in a large bowl or pot. Mix well. You want to make sure there is a nice blend of the different varieties. Using hot, sterile pint jars, place a garlic clove in the bottom, and then cold pack the peppers into the jars. Using a canning funnel and a ladle, fill the jars with boiling brine. Then run a knife or a flat object around the inner perimeter in order to release any trapped bubbles. Top off the contents, making sure the peppers are well immersed in the brine. Do not overfill. You want to make sure you leave a headspace. Next, wipe the rim of the jar with a clean cloth and place a hot lid on the rim. Then take a lid ring and secure it into place, making sure you do not over-tighten. With the use of jar lifters, transfer to the water bath rack. Once the rack is filled, lower into the boiling water and water bath for 10 minutes. When finished processing, remove the jars using jar lifters and place them on a towel. And finally, allow them to seal and cool for at least 12 hours.